this shit feels so slow right now. Like, hello to you too. She's back. So what is good, guys? How we doing, man? Hopping into another video. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So yeah, here's the Z. You might be able to tell, maybe not. Don't mind the engine bay, that shit is dirty, bro. I really don't care right now. They're a little bit different. We did full steel on them, polished, full 3-inch. Before, the section right here was this pipe, which is about 2.5. So it should help out with a little bit of flow. We didn't get to the bottom half of the cold side piping just because I wanted to try to hurry up and try to fix this issue with the boost. And then once it's running like 100% and back to normal, then I'll finish the bottom part. We have these pretty cool clamps right here, actually. Don't ask me where I got them. Just don't ask. It's cool. I'll just show you it. It's technically a V-band. It's really, really easy to take off, really easy to tighten, and you get like superior clamping force on that thing. Like, it's not gonna pop off. So that's pretty cool. Just quick, easy, take it off. I know I'm missing a clamp. That's what I'm actually looking for right now. I'm trying to find one so I could put it on so we can do some pulls later and try to fix these boost issues that I'm having. I have another set of wastegates that are like not used. They were for the RB. They're the same size, so I'm gonna throw some springs in there and just see what happens. If not, then I don't know, man. I think it might just be the turbo, which is weird because it's just rebuilt, like it has no miles on it, so shouldn't be the turbo, but you never know. So I'm gonna start this thing up, move it over, and jack it up and get those wastegates off. All right, guys, let's see if this thing even starts. It died on me, so. Beaters. Alright guys, so here are the current wastegates that were on the car, 38 mils, and here are my other ones, same size, everything. So, I mean, this right here alone should tell me if there's something wrong with the wastegates or not. Because if it does the same thing, then most likely it's not going to have anything to do with the wastegates. It's either my lines themselves or it's just the turbo. So it's one or the other. So we should be able to figure that out by tonight. I have like 24 PSI springs in here right now currently. That's gonna be a bitch to put on by myself. So I might just go down to like 15 pounds, 17 pounds, just to get them on and see if they work, see if they open. I don't know, it's really weird. The boost is peaking and then dropping like 7 PSI before redline. And I mean, typically if your wastegate is stuck, then it should be like full boost, like to the moon. That shit should be trying to hit like 30 pounds, but the boost is dropping, so it doesn't really make sense. But I mean, if I have another set, why not try it? So I'm gonna get these springs in here and see how it goes.
Bro, why do you use Duralast jacks? Bro, that's the wrong jack point.
Alright guys, just topped it off with coolant and we got a new mod going on. Oh, authentic Nismo radiator cap. Oh, proven to give you lower cooling temperatures. Oh, this is a Atome, dog. Gonna be the moment of truth. I really gotta fix this issue with the throttle bodies when I shift, how it sticks. I hate that shit, bro. It's so annoying. Well, I'm gonna get it straight. I'm gonna hit a little boost. If the wastegate's open, that is a very good sign. If they don't, I don't know. We got some more digging to do. And they're still not opening. Man, this shit is boof, bro. That shit hella boof, bro. I don't know what's good with this shit. Swapped out a whole nother set of wastegates, brand new, never used. Still doing the same thing. I mean, the boost pressure is working. It's just they're not opening and it's not holding the boost. So I really don't know. Oh, what? Are you guys okay? I think somebody has some issues over here. Man, this shit is annoying, bro. I'm not gonna lie, dog. So what now? I don't know what to do next. The lines are routed straight to the wastegates. You know, it's running straight off the spring right now. Like, there's no boost controller or anything like that. So probably put the boost controller back on, check all the lines, make sure there's no like tears or anything in the lines. That's the only thing I can really honestly think of. But hopefully we can figure this shit out, man, because I'm like literally slowly melting. I'm just dying inside that I can't drive this car how I want to. Like, being able to move it is cool, but hitting boost like I used to, that's where it's really at. Before I even hit red line, it was at like 7. Oh my goodness. This doesn't make any sense, bro. Bro, this shit feels so slow right now. At least when I have more springs in there, like, it would like peak higher boost, so it would feel a little bit better, but fuck, right now. Second gear is only hitting like 10 pounds. Seems like it's trying to slowly relearn the idle. It's not going up as much, so that's good. I'll do a little second gear hit. This shit is so slow right now, bro. She was hitting 7 pounds in third gear. What the fuck? Well, at this point, it's beyond my control. I tried. At least I can kind of eliminate the wastegates. I mean, I put brand new ones on and it did the same thing, so I'm like 99% sure it has nothing to do with the wastegates at this point. I guess we're just gonna have to just move on to check all the lines. Hopefully we can figure it out and get this thing fixed soon and get it on the road. You know, I'm doing everything I can. I'm even trying myself at this point because I know the shop is hella busy. Hopefully we can figure it out soon. But until then, guys, stay tuned. Drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. You already know I'm gonna have more content on the way. Catch you guys in the next video.